Well, we're at the track. We got here about 5:30. Just a bunch of, when you get 4 different groups, 4 different entities, 4 different vehicles meeting out on the road to go to one similar place, you're going to have trouble. And we had some timing issues that caused us to get here a lot later than we expected. Which really doesn't make much difference. We just still had to sit until right now, which is 7:05 in the evening, as we're rolling in, and us being not garage people, not sponsors, and not club staff. So we're just the outcast. And there really is not a lot to choose from. As for pitting on, well, look at this. You got loose gravel, grass, a paved road. You drive your cart to and from the track. You can push it down like you used to in the old days, but you don't have to. You can drive just like an SCCA event. You can drive your way out to the pit lane and out for practice, run your practice, and then drive all the way back. Problem is, they don't have enough smooth paved pitting area that's conducive for driving your cart on. There's a huge parking lot over here for this guy beyond those porta-johns. You probably can't see it with this camera. There's a Summit banner there. That guy's already out there and dropped the rear of his trailer. That parking lot is made up of what's known as asphalt millings. You see here, this is a brand new asphalt road. They had to grind it up first, the old stuff off, to be able to put the new stuff down and keep the surface level the same. Because as you'll see, the new stuff stops down here. So let me put you out the window. You see up there where the old stuff stops. So to keep the levels the same, they got to grind away the old stuff. And they put it out there, but it's just loose. You can't drive a go-kart across that. And it's going to be difficult enough to push air-filled tire rolling stand across that stuff. So if you'd have to push your cart on a stand to a point or an area where it's smooth enough for you to drive it. And if you don't have help, someone to help you get the cart on and off the stand, they'd have to sit there and wait at that point for you to come back and stop, because you're not going to drive onto the loose stuff. I don't know. It's hard to tell if there's going to be enough room for everybody here in this. We call it refer to it as the upper paddock, but it's actually the middle paddock. The upper is this one here with all the cones in it. It's a separate fenced-in area that this track does their skid pad school and all that stuff. So it's not even available to us, which would be really nice, but not happening. So we're checking in. We got a guy checking us here, so we're going to shut you down. And me and Patrick are going to try to get pitted in there, and Chuck and Rick are going to have to park in the millings area. So that's it from Mid-Ohio. We'll bring you some more in a little bit.